If you have been looking for information on how to make money and double or perhaps triple your income by learning how cryptocurrency works, this brief video is for you. If you have been in search of information on how to protect your wealth and the ins and outs of cryptocurrency, this video is for you as well. This video will be a brief review of the featured Intelligent Cryptocurrency Masterclass. There are links below in the video description. If at any time you would like to go straight to the web page that you see on your screen, just click on those links provided below in the video description, so that you may see the featured Intelligent Cryptocurrency Masterclass information for yourself, or follow along with me in this video, if you choose to do so. Now, when you click on the links provided below, you will arrive on the page that you see right here. We will briefly go over and touch on just a few of the main points of the page, points that we believe would be of most interest to you. When you first get to the page that you see on the screen, you can see that the featured masterclass is said to be a 100% free masterclass that can provide you with information, such as how you can protect your wealth from inflation, potentially turn $1,000 bets into as much as $271,244 in the next 365 days with cryptocurrencies and more. Also, as you can see here, a few more of the topics that you are said to learn from the featured masterclass as we see and scroll through right here. Also, you can take a look at the class presenter and a brief history on him as well. You can take a look at more of the information for yourself when you click on the links provided below in the video description that will take you to the page that you see on your screen. Now, if you would like to see more on what the Intelligent Cryptocurrency Masterclass is about, all that you have to do is just scroll to the About link on the page to get more of the background on the presenter and what the masterclass is all about, as you can see right here. Now, as you can see, the page here is very brief and to the point. All that you have to do is just fill in your name and email address to access the masterclass, so that you will get all of the information for yourself. Once again, you can take a look at these details more in depth when you just click on the links provided below in the video description, so that you can visit the page that you see right here on your screen, and go over these specific areas. Now briefly, you can take a look at some of the testimonials and experiences from some of the customers here, and you can see what they have to say and more. Remember, the featured masterclass is said to be 100% free, as you can see at the top of the page, and all that you have to do is just fill in your name and email address to get your access to the masterclass for yourself. Don't forget to click on those links below to go to the page that you see on the screen, so that you may see all of this for yourself in more depth. Once again, we would like to thank you for watching our brief video review. If you have found that the information presented here in this video was helpful and insightful to you, be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button. Remember to click on the links below in the video description to go to the page that you see in this video to get more information and see more on the featured Intelligent Cryptocurrency Masterclass.